AP Human Geography. So we're going to look at why scaling is important. So what is happening at one scale is often influenced by things occurring at other scales. So geographers use this to figure out geographic patterns. Scales matter because we can see the different observations at different scales. Example, see how what is happening at global scale affects the localities and how what is happening at the global scale affects localities. Different patterns, this is really important, there are different patterns at different scales. Also, generalizations cannot be made because every area has different data and information. That's why every scale has to be looked at. People use scales politically by rescaling their actions, involving people from other scales and creating global outcry of support. Geographer Victoria Lawson uses the term jumping scale. Looking at regions. The world is often divided into regions for analysis. Region is a part of constitutes area that shares similar characteristics. Planning or dreaming of vacation at a certain area is using regional notions to convey your thoughts. Formal regions. When geographers choose one or more physical or cultural criteria to define a region, marked by homogeneity in one or more circumstances and phenomenon, has a shared trait, cultural or physical, between the people. Functional regions, particular set of activities or interactions occurring culturally. They are shared political, social, and economic purposes. They are not necessarily homogeneous. Perceptual regions, intellectual constructs designed to help understand the nature or distribution of phenomenon in human geography. It can include cultural traits such as dress, food, and religion, and places and physical traits and, built environment. Also looking at cultures. The definition by anthropologist E. Adamson, Hall et al. Culture is very important in human geography. It identifies the lifestyle, values, and beliefs of people. This is closely identified with the discipline of anthropology, a system of learned behavior patterns which wasn't formed biologically, the result of social invention and transmitted or maintained through communication and learning. Other distinct contributions of humans to environment, learned behaviors, and ways of thinking. Cultural trait is a single attribute of a culture. Cultural complex is when a discrete combination of traits are formed by a particular culture trait which more than one culture has. Cultural hearth, area where cultural traits develop and which cultural traits diffuse, meaning spread. Independent invention, when a trait develops in more than one hearth, without any influence operating a case for each hearth, called the independent invention. Cultural diffusion, when ideas, people, or goods move across space. Time and distance cause time, distance, decay, and diffusion processes. Diffusion is the spreading of cultural trait depends from the hearth. Cultural barriers formed from cultures and spreading ideas, such as not being able to eat meat. Expansion diffusion, when a cultural trait spreads from a hearth. Contagious diffusion, a form of expansion, diffusion where all adjacent individuals or places are affected. And that is all of the notes today. I thank you guys so much for watching. This is all from a chapter 1. And I will not be doing notes from here anymore, but from a project. But I thank you guys for watching this. Bye-bye. Subscribe to the video, like the video, give love, and comment below. Bye-bye.